this is Donalyn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today we're going to be making an easy chicken stir fry. We are using 3 different colored peppers, red, green, and yellow, 2 onions, a teaspoon of sugar, a pound of chicken breast, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and 3 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. So let's get started.
We're going to start with our vegetables. We're going to cut our bell peppers lengthwise. Now we're going to cut our onions lengthwise. We're going to cut our chicken into bite-sized pieces. We're going to combine 1 tablespoon of sugar with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. Heat 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil over medium heat. Add vegetables and cook the vegetables for 5 minutes. In a separate pan, heat 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Add chicken and cook the chicken until it's completely done and no longer pink. Our vegetables have been cooking for 5 minutes. We're going to pour half of our sauce onto them. Stir it in and then cook it for an additional 3 minutes. Both our chicken and vegetables are done cooking, so we're going to pour our chicken into our vegetables and stir in the remaining sauce. We're going to cook this for an additional 2 minutes. We're going to serve our chicken stir fry over rice. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.